Hey guys, what was I doing on mobile phone? First of all, sorry for poor making. Okay, am I chatting, gaming? No, I'm doing graphic design on mobile phone. It's just awesome. I never expected this much of options in single app. How to do that? Are you guys ready? Let's get started. Find Canva on your Play Store, then install it. Once installed, then open it. Sign up with your Google or Facebook. Here I go by Facebook account. Then this is our home page and very elegant user interface. Here you can create your design for all social media banners and posters. Not only social media banners, you can create your own flyers, business cards, logos, presentation and much more. Here click plus button and you can create custom size as well. Then I go back. Here are many templates for Instagram post, logos, YouTube thumbnail, YouTube design, gaming logos. Also you can modify it very easily. Select any elements, you will get its property at the bottom of the app. Then here you can change the transparency, color, whatever. Then you have to do any presentation, you can go by the presentation. You click here and you can add many slides and copy the original one and you can change the text. Also you can create a new design as well. Now we will do for Instagram post. You click blank and you can create your design whatever you like. Here I go by the template and modify it. I tell you how. I choose this template, double tap the original text and you can change the whatever content you have. Drag bottom of the text frame, you can increase and decrease the font size, and drag right side of the text frame, you can just extend the text frame. Once it's done, go to bottom, you can edit the text, its style, its font size, colors, whatever. By the way, you select each text frame and update the text. Another excellent option, snap and guide. Very useful for quick alignment. Here click plus button. Click on the element, you have many shapes. Now I add the box behind the text. You can change the image, just click on the image and update the new image. Also you can edit all the elements in the template. Also you can import new image to your design. For example, at the bottom I want the brand logo. Just I click plus button and importing the image. Just I crop the logo and fix it. Can you pick the color from your logo? Is this possible? Yes, you can. Just click your text and go to bottom and select the custom color. You will have eyedropper. Then pick your color from logo. Can we give animation to your design? Do you want to include some animation to the static banner? Yes, you can. Now our design is over. We have excellent exporting option in the Canva. You have many export options like PDF, video. Just you want an image file, you can export as an image. Also you can convert as the video. It's completely free for 14 days. You can just practice your design. Still you can create another account or you can go buy premium account. I hope you have an idea to start your design. See you soon in the next video. Until that, tata, bye bye. Thank you so much.